The LG French door refrigerator is packed with innovative and easy-to-use functions designed to provide you with a better kitchen experience. In this video, we will go over some troubleshooting tips to help maximize your ice maker's performance. The Slim Space Plus ice system provides more shelf space and allows even more space for door bins. If ice is not being produced, make sure that the ice maker is on. Check to make sure that your water source is connected to your refrigerator and turned on. To verify that your water source is connected and on, try to dispense water from your refrigerator. If water comes out of your dispenser, your ice maker will also be supplied with water. Make sure that the sensors on your ice maker are not blocked. This may cause the ice maker to stop producing ice. Also, if the water filter has not been installed, water will not be dispensed and the ice maker will not be supplied with water. If ice is not being dispensed from your refrigerator, check to see if there is ice in the bin. This may indicate that the ice maker is not turned on or that there is no water supply connected to your refrigerator. Check to see if the refrigerator doors are fully closed. Ice will not dispense unless they are closed. Verify that your control panel is not locked. If the control panel is locked, a lock icon on the bottom right of your control panel will be illuminated. Hold the lock button for 3 seconds to unlock the dispenser. Check to see if there is ice clumping. Ice clumped inside of the bin may prevent the ice from dispensing. Check to see if there is a blockage in the ice chute by removing the ice bin and checking the chute. If you are trying to dispense ice but there is no ice coming out, even when there is ice in the bin, ice may be clumped together, preventing it from dispensing. Here's what you can do. Free up ice by firmly tapping on the sides of the ice bin. If ice has clumped together to form a solid block, remove the bin from the compartment and throw away the ice. It may be best to produce new ice in this situation. The best way to prevent ice clumping is by using your ice dispenser on a regular basis and by removing ice from the indoor ice bin into the extra ice bin located in your freezer. If the ice being produced has a slight odor or taste, it may be an indicator that the ice is old and has absorbed the odors from your freezer. Discard this ice by removing the ice bin and throwing away the ice. If your refrigerator has been newly installed, it is also recommended that you throw away the first few batches of ice. Your indoor ice bin holds approximately 6 to 8 glasses of ice. Ideally, about 3 pounds of ice is produced in a 24-hour period. Please keep in mind that ice production may be affected by the ambient temperature of your refrigerator environment, the temperature settings, as well as the frequency of use. It takes approximately 90 minutes to produce 1 tray of ice. If you anticipate needing a larger amount of ice, utilize the extra ice bin located in the freezer to store the ice that is being produced so that your ice maker can continuously produce more ice. The capability to increase ice production is also available to you with the Ice Plus function on your LG refrigerator. When you touch the Ice Plus button located on your control panel, the Ice Plus indicator will illuminate and continue to stay on for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the function will automatically shut off. If the ice being dispensed from your refrigerator looks smaller than normal, it may be an indication that the water pressure is too low. The water pressure must be between 20 to 120 psi on models without a water filter and 40 to 120 psi on models with a water filter to produce normal-sized ice cubes. In order to avoid ice from spraying out of your ice dispenser, place your cup as close to the chute as possible before you begin to dispense the ice. This will prevent sprays and spills from occurring. There are several noises that may come from your refrigerator. If no water is connected to the refrigerator and the ice maker is turned on, you may hear a buzzing noise coming from the ice compartment. Turn off your ice maker. When ice is being produced, you will hear the sound of cubes dropping into the bin and water running in the pipes as the ice maker refills. This is normal. After ice is dispensed, you may hear a slight noise. This means that the flapper has closed and is normal. Thank you for watching the LG Customer Support Channel. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.